These men are computer enthusiasts, engineers, and rocket scientists, and they've got a problem.
I feel like a creative person who's been logically trained through my engineering degree.
I've always been interested in how things work, and I've always taken things apart.
Even with an average IQ of quite a lot, none of them has a girlfriend.
I'm the president of a LAN gaming group where a bunch of guys get together and play games.
My favorite one are like strategic type games, like I like ruling the world. Those are the fun type games. So.
Are there lots of girls that come into your group?
No.
The guys have decided to turn their backs on the single life. The trouble is that they've spent so many years deciding to play computer games that deciding on how to approach a potential partner is proving difficult. Happily, we've found a man who can help. And what's more, he speaks their language. Mathematician Garth Sundem believes that he can solve complex human problems, like deciding on a suitable girlfriend, using numbers.
Decision-making in mathematics, it's strange. They share exactly the same language. You know, you have a problem that you want to solve, and you look at the factors that you're going to weigh against each other to solve this problem. It's really the same language.
This perfect relationship has led Garth to write a book of equations for every tricky situation life has to offer. He thinks that if you really want to come to a truly logical conclusion, you need to weigh up all the factors and make them interact using algebra.
My chances of getting a date with someone would depend on factors like how attractive, you are, how attractive they are. That would be an obvious ratio comparison right there that would affect your chances of getting a date.
Tonight, Garth is offering his services to Levi, John, Cal, and Chris, who are putting their faith in maths. The needy nerds are on a mission to make friends with a lady, a real one, in a bar.
Oh, sugar girl, wow, you're looking like something I want.
Okay, so you guys have all been downstairs. There's someone in your mind that you're thinking about. So now we're going to go through and figure out what your chances are, okay? We're going to see what the math says. How witty of a conversationalist are you on a scale of 1 to 10?
I'm fantastically witty.
What do you guys think?
I'd probably give him a 10 on the...
Would you give him a 10? Okay,
Yeah,
we'll give him a 10.
The do I stand a chance with her equation is split into sections. Social skills like conversation, levels of previous contact, and crucially, attractiveness.
How attractive is this guy? What do you think? 8? An 8? Okay, we'll give him an 8. We'll give him an 8. He's a cutie. Now, how attractive is she on a scale of 1 to 10?
7.5.
7.5? You want to call that a 7 or an 8?
7.
Okay, 7.
The attractiveness ratio is a key factor that drives the whole equation. As the boy becomes more attractive relative to his love interest, so his overall chances improve.
Here we got 1, 1.4. We're going to pretty much call this 9. 35. You have almost like a 95% chance with this girl. And what really drove that is the fact that you are actually more attractive than this girl. You are a very witty conversationalist. You're pretty much like a dream guy. Does that sound right to you guys?
The remaining guys are also subjected to Garth's geek logic system and given their personal likelihood of success.
Okay, Levi, down to you. You ready for the math?
No, I don't want math.
You don't want to do the math?
No, I can do it on my own.
Okay, no math to mess up your Jedi mojo.
No?
Okay, go on totally without. So we got like 95%, we got 43%, we got 41%, and we got heck with percent. I'm just going to go do it. Sounds good to me. Let's see how it goes.
Cal, at 95%, shouldn't have to try too hard. But Cal's dream girl turns out to be 95% certain she's not interested. According to his 41% score, John should be struggling, but he's not.
How about you? Student.
43% Chris tries his hand at brutal honesty.
I'm a double major. Computer science, computer engineering.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, kind of a nerdy guy.
Soon discovering that it works a lot better than playing it cool.
Okay.
In no time at all, the phone number's in the bag.
5046.
This experiment was meant to see if the maths could predict our volunteers' success. But we've discovered something more interesting. Simply analyzing the decision beforehand seems to have given them the confidence of seasoned Casanovas, whatever their score.
Cool.
Awesome.
I'll give you a call.
Well, thanks much again.
Yeah?
It's wonderful.
In no time at all, everybody's taking phone numbers. Everybody, that is, except Levi, who rejected Garth's magic numbers. He's still got way too much to think about and fails to perform. As usual.
Good evening, success all around. We got a yes, 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 right?
No.
No? What happened?
I should have followed the
You
math.
should have followed the math. Everybody but the no math guy. Next time.
Next time. Definitely.
Nice.
So here, in a nutshell, is your guide to logical decision-making. Identify all the factors that affect the decision. Write them down. Even weight them using mathematics. And remember, freeing your mind with maths could help you become a truly rational person.